We'll guide you through how to join Discord servers without an invite link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Discord, and so you wanted to go and join a Discord server, but you don't have an invite link. We're going to guide you through how this can be done and the different scenarios you may be in. So keep watching and let's do this. So first of all, you may be in the situation where you're going to have an invite code and not a link that you want to go and use, or you may not. Still keep watching. So what you can do is, first of all, you need to go and swipe across from the left to the right to go and open up the server list. And now what we need to do is go and scroll all the way down. And at the bottom, you'll go and find a plus, which you can then go and tap. It will say about creating a server, but at the bottom it says have an invite already, and you can press join a server. So if you've got a code, you can go and type it in here. What you can also do is some servers are going to go and have a fixed invite link or code. For example, Minecraft, I could go and type in Minecraft like so, if I can spell it right. And then what you can do is go and press join with invite link. And as you can see, we can then go and see, I can just go and join that, and that is out the invite link. I can just go and enter in the code there. Alternatively, you may want to go and start browsing through Discord servers you want to go and join, and you want to go and look at different categories. There's gaming, there's loads of everything in between really. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and find a list of servers you can join without somebody going and directly inviting you the link, if that makes sense. So to do this, you can come out of Discord, and then what you can do is you can go and open up a web browser, whether that's Safari, Chrome, or whatever you use. And then what you can do here is go and press search, and you want to go and type in discover Discord, like so, and you can go and search for this. We want to go and look for the site Discord servers-home. This is on the official Discord site, it's discord.com, so you can click here. Now we can go and discover our next server. So you can go and browse through here, and these are servers you can go and then join, and somebody doesn't have to go and give you a direct invite link. You can browse through them and choose the one you want to join. So what you can then do is you can go and just scroll through here, search the site you're looking for, or we can go and look at different categories. So I could go down and I could go and select science and tech, for example, and then I can start scrolling through here and going seeing these different options. So let's say I want to go and join this study server, so I can go and focus on my work. I can go and tap there. Then you can scroll down and read about it. And to go and join it, you press join server. Discord will go and open up. And as you can see, I could then go and press accept invite like this. I'm now joining it, and I'm now in the server. And so I can go through the setup process here, and we can go and select the server to the left here. Every server will be slightly different. In some, you may need to go and complete some type of verification or link an account like your Roblox account, but it does go and vary.